Hello, this is Creative Everyday Life and my name is Karina. Today I wanted to show you how I purl stitch using the Continental Way. The Continental Way just means that I keep the yarn over my left hand finger. So I take the needle behind the yarn, back through the loop and gather up the yarn and then through the loop again. This is how I purl stitch. It gives the opposite looks of a normal stitch. Gives this ruffle on the side where you are knitting, and it will lay smooth and give the normal V stitch on the back side. So if you are knitting back and forth and want the normal stitch on the front, you purl stitch on the back. You can also use this in rib edges or in patterns. So I hope this was useful. Have a very nice day and God bless.